Pollution is a major problem in cities and villages. It harms our nature and all living things. Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you all are fit and fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now, I would like to talk about pollution in front of you. Pollution is a big problem in nowadays. This has become a matter of very serious concern for the whole world. Pollution is the introduction of harmful material into the environment. It is caused by smoke, garbage, and chemicals. Pollution is a major problem in cities and villages. It harms our nature and all living things. There are many types of pollution: water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, and soil pollution. Air pollution happens because of smoke from cars and factories. Water pollution is caused by the dirty water from homes and factories. Noise pollution comes from loud music, machines and vehicles. And soil pollution comes from the garbage, plastic, and waste. Human activities are the main reason for pollution. We cut trees, throw garbage, and use too many vehicles. Using plastic also increases pollution. Polluted water kills fish and makes water unsafe to drink it. Pollution is a very harmful for humans, animals, and plants. That's all for this time being. I hope see you again. Thank you so much. Have a good day.